Good night, everyone. Good morning. It's Saturday morning. Beautiful out here. A little chilly. I mean, it's in the 60s out this morning, so it's actually perfect. Feels great. It's been hot the past few days, so look at that beautiful sunrise this morning. Go over, get the bathroom done, get all ready to go. Then we're going to head out early and get in line for Maid of the Mist and the observation deck. Have some fun today. We just got on Maid of the Mist and we were getting ready to head out. We got front row on the bottom, listening to the tour guide and what she said. Going by the American Falls right now. We are currently heading into the belly of the beast. This is Horseshoe Falls. Look at that.
To the far left of us is Campervan, where the international border line between the United States and Canada lies. Beneath us, the water plunges to a depth of 180 feet, or 55 meters.
We just finished Maid of the Mist, went right into the falls. It was right into the Horseshoe Falls.